welcome to a big happy day at the 2013 Caribbean Yoga Conference. Yaman.
Hey, this is Nadine, Universal Empress. What am I doing here? Everything and nothing. It's awesome to be here.
So we're here in Jamaica, under the sun. We are one, doing yoga, having fun, and lifting up community with the strength of our hearts. Breathing in to our toes to know that we are special and beautiful souls.
Yoga in Jamaica is really growing. All of us are having a good time. We're learning how to eat. We're learning how to move our bodies. We're learning how to heal ourselves. And we're all coming together, you know, as a community. And I think that's what matters. And we want more of this in the Caribbean. So come to yoga in Jamaica. Come do some in the sunshine.
We live here and we also teach here. So it's nice to see all these yogis come into the island and share what we live every day.
Jamaica is one of the most amazing places to practice yoga. The vibe here is so airy, people are so friendly, the music is so good.
And it's been a complete honor for us to be here, be part of the community. There was a huge turnout from the Jamaican yoga community, and we really got to feel like we were connecting.
I'm learning a lot and I'm becoming more open. I'm releasing tension, toxins, and being able to flow better. I'm really enjoying myself. I'm so happy and thankful to be able to be here.
We're actually trying to show people that they're already musicians. And
You got that music inside of you, you know?
Exactly.
I found it necessary to find the connection, to find the philosophical and spiritual connections between Rastafari and yoga. So that is what I delivered in my opening address, in finding these unifying elements that make this thing whole and make it inseparable from the universe and universal expression. Om Namah Shivaya.
Yoga and Rastafari, or Rastafarianism, are one because we share the same concept of the breath and the oneness of the universal mind, and so it is.
No woman no cry. No woman no cry.
It's been really amazing. Honestly, all these different teachers with different personalities and different teaching style, but they still have one foundation and they still want to try and share something that they're passionate about with us.
Yoga is anything that one brings awareness to, and conscious awareness. The land, the music, the food, all of that lends itself to yoga.
I'm changing Jamaica by changing myself, because the solutions are not outside of us, they're inside, and everyone can look in that mirror and make a change.
It's been beautiful practicing here in Jamaica, practicing yoga. Like India, there's, you know, dreadlock ascetics, Rastas, and the Rastas have played a part in holding space for our practice here.
So part of our key programming for the Caribbean Yoga Conference is offering the opportunity to step outside of the walls of the Hilton and actually step foot into the community.
There's a group of about 25 of us from the Caribbean Yoga Conference that have come here to practice yoga and art and music with these beautiful children ages 2 to 17 from all over Jamaica who were previously homeless, but Sister Jackie has taken them in, and today was a beautiful day of unity and joy and Save Us.
Trying to save some lives here. I'm poor, I'm broke, but I operate the house of love because I think love conquers all.
Yoga means peace and love.
Jamaica rocks. It's one of the most amazing platforms I've found for bringing people together from many different cultures, and there's still a lot of struggle, and the struggle creates the potential for people to really get clear on who they are, who they want to be, and what type of community they want to propagate in the world. So, blessed place to experience one love and people coming together.
Amazing. An experience of bringing all the elements, all the people, all the love inside and outside. Warm, beautiful explosion.
You get to experience something that really doesn't exist anywhere else. It's not just another Caribbean island. It's a very unique place.
It's amazing how often in the West you hear Bob Marley tunes in your yoga class, and here we are, we're in Jamaica and we're in the essence of that energy, and it's fantastic.